to Taz's Wig Closet. Today, we're gonna unbox a secret coming up. I purchased this wig style. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the website where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. Belle Tress items are an automatic 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. And don't forget the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are below. So I got a secret right here in this box, a brand new style by Belle Tress. And the color on this one is Tres Leches Blonde. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I have not seen this one yet, so you'll get to see it right along with me. Now this one should be, I looked at the photos, it looks like it's kind of a polished, sleek, professional looking, medium length shag style cut, lots of interesting layering. They always do a really nice straight bob. It is right in the box. Okay, that one is, it actually looks a little bit longer than what I was anticipating, so we'll check that out. Silicone pack there. Yes, wow. If you've never experienced a brand new Belle Tress wig, straight one especially, right out of the box, it just has this buttery, luxurious feel to it. It's just unmatched in the industry. I don't know how they get their heat-friendly fiber to feel like this and be so baby fine. A lot of other heat-friendly fibers are more gummy, sticky, thicker and denier. This one is a very fine, buttery type fiber. It's a part of the Cafe collection, which they're all heat friendly. Let's go ahead and take a look though at this cap before I move on, or I will forget. So let me look at it first. Okay, awesome. Everything looks good. We've got that temple to temple extended lace front. That lace front does extend back into the ear tab. And then we have a left monofilament side part. And what you'll notice is that there's a very wide parting space there, every bit of 2 inches. At the widest part there. That gives you a lot of flexibility for parting. And then a wide monofilament parting area all the way back to the crown. A closed velvet ear tab. Just a standard nape with the pull strap type adjusters, lots of wefting. I can tell just by looking at this one, it is going to be cavernous on me. I have a petite average circumference. A lot of Belle Tress styles, I do struggle to get a secure fit. So I'm definitely going to pull in those adjusters right away, about as far as they can go without looking odd and gaping right there at the nape. So let's go ahead and take this tag off first and then we'll get this on. Okay, see that little bit of contour there? That was baked in. I haven't done anything to it yet, but may I say, wow. This reminds me of just a shorter alpha blend. Alpha blend is longer, really well past the shoulder, and this secret just comes right to the shoulder. I'm really shocked by this. I thought it was going to be much shorter than this. Even though it says that the front pieces are about 12.5 inches. And it's going to be about 12.5 inches all the way around. It looks like there might be a little bit of an angle there because those front pieces are a little longer, but they also have a little bit of body to them, which kind of brings it up to the level of the rest of the style. So it's not a dramatic angular effect, but wow, is it full of body and bounce. I love that. I don't know how they achieve that without using a lot of permatease and things. This one is very low, even absent of any permatease. There's none of the soft, pillowy type of permatease at all. So it's a very low, slim profile, beginning at the crown and stretching all the way down. That really highlights the layering and the body of this one. The density on this one is just an average density. It's not heavy at all. It's not as heavy as Alpha Blend by Belle Tress if you've experienced that style. That was a more of a heavier density. But what I think strikes me the most is this layering. So it really highlights the face. And as the layers break at the bottom, there's a little bit of body. There's a little bit of wave right here just to give it some interest and a flattering modern look around the face. So you've got some curl in here kind of curls out, but then you've got some other layers, like right around an 8.5 inch layer breaking here, and then about 12.5 inches overall. I think I want to take a look with my mirror just so I can report on this one most accurately. Okay, that little bit of a curl under does continue in the back, and it seems to be a sort of a blunt, straight across cut with a little bit of under curl, giving it a very sleek, classic look, but again, just modernized by those side layers. It looks really thick, but again, just an average density, and that side profile is so pretty. So it weighs about 4.5 ounces, so it feels really lightweight on the head, and again, no permatease. Let's get up close on this lace front, because we all like to see, they're doing their more recent lace fronts all like this. I love the improvements. There's a very nice soft grid, fine fibers there. They take the highlight right up just to soften it a bit. Depending on the color, is that what kind of effect you'll get at the front there. But this is the Tres Leches Blonde, which translates to 3 milks. It's a very soft blend of a natural, a more of a warm, and then a cool blonde. And all together, it's very, very neutral. And it's a light brown root. Now, the rooting on this color is variable. I have seen a very light colored ash root. This one seems to be more medium. So those are just some of the variances that we can see. Now, I am raking this back. That's just an automatic instinct for me as I train the style to do what I want. Be in command of your wig. Repetitive movements with your hands will train a wig over time. And you can use your heat appliance if you like on this style. So I'm going to go ahead and do a full spin so you can see it from all angles. We're going to do a lot of styling here, so stay tuned. I am sure this is going to work beautifully with glasses. The Belle Tress Cafe collection really does work well with glasses, and so many of us need them to see. Either if you're wearing readers or you're a full-time glasses wearer, it should work perfectly with this style. So I'm going to go ahead and move it around and shake it around. You can get a good sense of the movement, the body, the density, and be inspired to style it. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you right back real soon right here at Taz's Wig Closet.